The next step is to install the tire pressure monitoring sensors. And the easiest way I've found to do this is to connect a small battery pack. I have this USB battery pack that I can plug the monitor into so that I can carry it around and set up the tire pressure monitoring sensors. It just helps to make the monitor a little bit more portable. The tire sensors come with a couple of components. The cap twists off, and then you can install a battery. It's a CR1632 battery. You just slide it with the positive side up in there like that, and then you put a cap on it. The kit comes with additional seals that are on the bottom where the cap tightens to make it waterproof. And the kit comes with extra seals, and it also comes with this little nut. So you screw this onto your tire valve first and put it on as far as it'll go. And then when you put the sensor onto the tire valve, you'll tighten it, and then you loosen this back up so that it comes up and touches the valve. Then you use this little handy wrench they give you to tighten that nut. And that makes it not impossible, but very difficult to remove this sensor. It's kind of a theft deterrent. It's not easy to remove this once this nut is tightened up against it. To register the sensors manually, you simply select the tire, click on the ID, and then enter the ID using the keypad. You can find the serial number on the cap of the sensor. Once you enter the number, remember to hit the return key. An alternative to manually entering the sensor IDs is to let the monitor detect them. So I'm going to use trailer 1 as my Jeep. So it's be these 4 tires here. I'm going to start with the driver's side front. And I'm going to set auto learn. It says it's waiting. And it's detected it. This is by far the easiest way to set these up. We're going to do the last tire now. And then we put it into, we select the tire. This is the passenger front. And we select auto learn. And we put the sensor on. And it detects it almost immediately. Now I have to go through and adjust the tire settings. So the maximum tire pressure for my Bridgestone tires is recommended to be 40 psi. So I'm going to set this value to 39. And then press enter. And that should make the warning go away. And I'm going to do the same thing for the other axle. I'm going to set the low tire pressure to 30 psi. The tire sensors are all set up.